Guys, so I did my eyebrows with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and I also applied my foundation, the NARS, and it's in the shade New Orleans. We're going to be using the Abh Amrezy palette in this video. I ordered the PR packaging because it was very beautiful and it was a good deal. The palette is beautiful. It has all types of colors from your smoky eyes to your pinks to your browns. And the first shade I'm going to use is New Yorker. I'm going to take this as a transition shade so the other shadows will blend seamlessly. And then I'm going to take a more defined brush and grab 1988, which is like the one-tone brown color in the palette. And I'm kind of creating like a cat eye shape on my eye with this shadow. And now I'm going to take the shade, it's like a magenta shade, Sesma, and I'm just going to go over that brown shade. Then I'm going to take the color BK, which is black, which is, I've noticed in her palettes, it's usually the black color is the color Noir, which is a really great black, but this one is BK. I like Noir a little bit better, but this did the job. I'm going to take this super defined brush. This is more from under the lash line underneath the eye, but I'm just going to use this to define the eye and make sure that I have like a precise placement for the color BK. Then I'm going to take my brush and just fluff that out. And I always take black shades and black colors and just build the color rather than just taking like a lot of it on my brush and just smacking it on my eye. It's a little bit more controllable. And then on the lid, we're going to go with the shade Reezy, which is like this really pretty hot pink shadow. It's more of like a frost finished. It's really pretty. I used it with just like a flat brush. You can also use your fingers to apply this shadow on this shade, which will also be very pretty. Then I'm going to take, she has like these pressed glitters. It's the shade Liddy and also the shade Barb. Liddy and Barb are the shades that I'm using from the press shade and just putting it over the lid. These are like pressed glitters. They apply really good with your finger. And in the corner, we're just going to use Barb. This palette has pressed glitters. I haven't seen a pressed glitter in Anastasia palette, so yeah, but this one does. And then this is Charlotte Tilbury's Bedroom Black liner. I'm just going to put this in the waterline. This pencil glides seamlessly. I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line. I'm also going to kind of drag the pencil to the outer corner of my eye, just kind of connect it all. I'm just going to take the Chanel mascara in the Lavalia, apply a little bit of mascara before I apply my Lily lashes in the, sorry, I cannot talk today, but I guess it's the Style Venice. This is Too Faced concealer. I'm running out. It's the Born This Way concealer, I think. It's the skinnier concealer, the first one. It's really hydrating. This is in the color Very Deep. Just going to conceal before I put on my lighter concealer. This trick helps with no flashback and it also gives you some concealer. Now I'm going to take the Huda Beauty concealer in a lighter shade. I'm just going to put it underneath my eyes and basically just my T-zone to just give myself a highlight. contour. This is the second darkest shade. And I'm just going to take it and just apply it in the hollows of my cheeks and give myself like a soft contour. This cream turns into a powder. It's a really nice product for deeper skin tones. Under my eye, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder. I'm just going to set every place that I use the highlighter and just kind of clean up my contour a little bit with the powder. And now I'm just going to take the shade Reezy and just Reezy and put it under my eye. And then I'm going to take some mascara from my lower lash line, my lower lashes, and the Fenty contour. Well, sorry, the Fenty bronzer. I cannot talk to it. Fenty bronzer. Then I'm using MAC's Raisin blush on the cheeks. MAC's Whisper of Felix highlighter on the highest points of the face. This is MAC's Chestnut lip liner. I'm just going to line my lips with the MAC's Chestnut, and then I'm going to be applying the Charlotte Tilbury's Supermodel lipstick in the Matte Revolution formula. Well, this is the matte one. I think it's the Kissing formula, but this is Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. Supermodel. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you click the bell and hit all notifications. Thank you for watching.